For ESG to really be embedded within fintechs and for fintechs to take it seriously, they really need to take into consideration how they also communicate it, in addition to how they report it and how they embed it within their DNA, because communication is key. And when you do communicate, please, and this is what we're seeing at the moment with our clients coming in and saying, well, we're already communicating it, we're already showcasing our card is green, and if you buy our account, we're going to plant a tree. I was like, no, that's not going to work. ESG is all about behavioral changes. You're asking your audience to change their behaviors to support you in your environmental efforts. So to do that, you have to use behavioral science, you have to use design thinking. So please, when you're doing so, just bear in mind these two things. Otherwise, you're just talking about a product, but you're not telling us as human beings what you want from us, and as our customers, what role do you want us to play? Because as humans, we do like to play a role. We like to feel that we're important and we're part of a community.